In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the text tool in Photopea. Photopea is a fantastic online photo editor, and knowing how to leverage its text tool can really bring your projects to life. So let's dive in. First, you'll want to head over to Photopea's website by typing in www.photopea.com in your web browser. Once you're there, you'll find yourself greeted by a workspace that's reminiscent of Adobe Photoshop, making it user-friendly for anyone familiar with photo editing. Now you have the option to either open an existing project or start fresh by uploading a new file. Simply click on Open Your Project or Upload a New One to get started. Once your project is open, let's find the Text tool, which is crucial for adding those creative text elements to your images. Look over to the toolbar on the left and click on the Text button, which is represented by a T icon. Place this tool onto your workspace by clicking where you want the text to appear. This will allow you to create a new text box that you can begin typing into. When you start entering your text, you might notice that the size or font isn't quite right. No worries, Photopea gives you the flexibility to adjust the size to meet your needs. Head up to the top of your workspace where you see the text settings. Here you can modify the font size, style, and even the color to ensure your text stands out exactly the way you envision. To further customize your text, find the drop-down menu typically marked by a small triangle icon. Clicking on this will unveil a plethora of options, allowing you to modify the attributes of your text further. If you're looking to change the alignment or adjust the spacing, this is where you will find those settings. Now here comes the part where we use the highlight feature. Clicking on highlight allows you to emphasize certain parts of your text, much like using a highlighter pen on paper. This can be particularly handy when you want to draw attention to specific words or phrases within your text block. Remember, emphasis is a powerful tool in design, so make sure to use it to guide your audience's focus. For those of you wanting to move your text around after placing it, simply click and drag it to your desired location. This flexibility is ideal for tweaking your layout until everything looks just right. So by following these steps, you can easily incorporate text into your Photopea projects, enhancing the visual storytelling aspect of your designs. Don't be afraid to experiment with different fonts, sizes, and placements to see what works best for your project. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful for your creative endeavors. See you next time, where we'll dive into more tips and tricks to up your design game.